I'm going to be doing Botox in 2 different areas on her. Around the eyes for crow's feet and in between the eyes. First, of course, we want to clean the area with alcohol.
You don't have those horrible wrinkles in your forehead.
No, she doesn't. She's beautiful skin. Yeah. Okay, so you smile for me. Big smile, big, 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 and relax. So all I do is really put the Botox superficially all around the eye. If you get woozy, don't watch. And the Botox usually activates within 2 days and 14 days. Anywhere in the 2 weeks, it activates.
How often do you do it?
It lasts about 3 months. Big smile. It lasts about 3 months. Some people can get 4 months out of it. Complications, bruising.
But if you put pressure on it, you said you wouldn't bruise that much.
Everybody's a little different. Depends on how thin your blood is. Things to help prevent bruising. You avoid anything with aspirin in it. No Motrins, no leaves. Anything with the aspirin you want to avoid. You also want to avoid a multivitamin because it has fish oil and vitamin E. So you want to avoid that. And you also want to avoid actual fish oil pills. I would avoid things 3 days prior and 3 days after. Arnica. Do you guys know what arnica is? It helps dissolve or diminish a bruise. Actually, I'm just going to talk about arnica. So if I notice that you're really thin blood, you're going to probably bruise, then I do suggest arnica. And that basically, you want to talk about arnica? It has vitamin K, it dissolves bruises. And back, turn towards me. And now we're going to go in between the eyebrows, scowl, angry.
Oh, yeah.
So she has what we like to call the 11s. And so I kind of just go in sort of a V formation into the muscle. This is a deeper treatment. Around the eyes, it's more superficial. If there's a little bleeding, you just put a little pressure. There are going to be the little welts, the little swellings, that will go down in about 5 minutes. You want to avoid any exercise about an hour or 2 after your treatment. You also don't want to lie down, have a facial, do massage an hour or 2 after the treatment either. It moves the Botox places I didn't put it, which we don't want.
But beyond that, so 2 hours later you could work out
2 hours later, you're
facial
fine.
and stuff? Wow.
And you always want to go around the bridge of the nose, because if you don't, you'll start to get lines across, which we call the bunny lines. We don't like those. That's it. Wow.
Not that quick.
Did it hurt?
No, not really, not at all.
A little pressure?
Can't feel it.
I mean, you feel a little pressure?
Yeah.
That's filler. Filler fills. So if you have a scar or an actual depression or a trough, then you want to fill it with, I usually prefer Juvederm. And there's lots of different kinds of filler that we can chat about, but filler lasts about a year. It's a little different than the Botox that lasts 3 months. Question? It's super quick and easy.